It's around 5:10, and I must have got up around 4:30, and I must have slept around midnight somewhere. So I kept my phone near the refrigerator for charging, same as 17 July. So I don't know anything else planted or not. They don't leave any opportunity. It's just they have to hop inside my window. Like 14th August, if they have access, then they must have done the same. Planted again a new message. What do I care? So if they have done it, they have done a great job. Look, this has been happening to me from years, and I didn't know this clone phone, clone drives, overwritten motherboard, live thing. Hidden bugs are just to tell them what time I am sleeping, what time I am slept, and they use it both ways. They use it for portraying and to know where I am coming downstairs, where I keep my stuff, uh, whether I am slept or not. So uh, many purposes the hidden camera is uh, helping them. So they use, and I don't care if they do anything. I don't care because 24th May is the first night which I came to know with proof. Rather than that, I had no clue what is happening. On 22nd June, I came to know.